Hello, class ninth. Good morning. Today I am going to take up a new chapter that is called gravitation. However, we use two words, gravitation and gravity. But before that, you might have heard about an apple falling on Newton's head. Newton was a great physicist and outstanding mathematician also. He has very much renowned name in case of the physics. And probably this people says that that apple tree still exists. And what was the story? That he was reading under uh, apple tree, and one apple fall down on his head. And then he thought, why the apple is coming down instead of going up? And you also observe that whenever you leave anything, that goes around it, that goes just downward. If you see moon is rotating around earth every day with some fixed speed. Okay, if you see earth is rotating around sun with some speed in fixed path. Then every one object is moving around. In chemistry you would have been told electron revolves around nucleus. So how this is going to happen? Exactly, the property of here is the mass property. And it is said that whenever two objects are placed at a distance, objects having mass, which property using? Whenever two objects having mass are placed at a distance, they always attract each other. They always attract each other. Here never said two bigger bodies or two smaller bodies, one bigger, one smaller. No. Whatever the size, shape, or the bodies are, provided they have a mass, then both will attract each other. And other condition is that they should be placed at a distance. Okay, then this all natural phenomena can be explained in terms of the law called Newton's law of gravitation. Actually, gravitation is a force of attraction between two mass objects placed at a distance. What is gravitation? Gravitation is a force of attraction between two mass objects placed at a distance. This force is always attractive and works on mass. Which property we are using? Mass property. This definition is a big definition, very general definition, and it can be applied between two smaller objects placed at a distance. It can be applied between Earth and Sun. It can be applied between the satellite and Earth. It can be applied between Moon and Earth, anywhere. But if we talk about gravity, this is a Earth context word. This is purely Earth related property. Okay, and force of attraction working on any object at Earth or near Earth by the earth is called gravity. That is the difference. मतलब क्या हुआ, ग्रेविटेशन वो सारे जगहों पे फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होंगे बिटवीन टू मास ऑब्जेक्ट्स। वो दो यूनिवर्स के बीच में हो सकता है, दो स्मॉलर बॉडीज हो सकता है, सन अर्थ के बारे में भी हो सकता है। यानी अर्थ, सन अट्रैक्ट्स अर्थ बाय द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन। ओके, but when earth attracts anything, this force of attraction towards earth by the earth is called force of gravity. That is called force of gravity. This both can be explained by using Newton's law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation. It says that if the two mass objects are placed at a distance, they attract each other by the force. You can see this force is on M1 due to M2, and this force is on M2 due to M1. And law says that when two mass objects are placed at a distance, they attract each other. This force of attraction is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. That is, force F is proportional to product of their masses. Force F is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Combining both, F proportional to M1 M2 upon R square. Then this proportionality constant, we will use proportionality constant to remove this proportional. Okay, and what to do? See, F equal to G M1 M2 upon R square. This is the formula of Newton's law of gravitation, or gravitational force acting on object placed at a distance. Okay, now we can find, next part is where G is proportionality constant and is called universal gravitational constant. Okay, its value is 6.673 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square upon kg square. Okay, we can define G. Let us define G. Since F equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, if m1 equal to m2 equal to 1 kg and r equal to 1 meter, then F equal to G. That is universal gravitation constant is equal to force acting between two mass objects of unit kgs and placed at 1 meter distance from each other. Okay, we can get unit of this universal gravitational constant. कैसे निकालेंगे देखो, F equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, तो F r square equal to G m1 m2, तो G equal to F r square upon m1 m2. F is Newton, r is meter square upon m1 m2. Kg into kg becomes kg square. This is the unit of the universal gravitational constant. Okay, please see it again and again so that your understanding level can increase. Okay, hope you will see, and thank you very much.